So we have a job here in CTL. It's got a few different parts. They're all on a task, and there are 4 layouts. So in CTL we posted 4 programs. So these programs get scheduled in SigmaSCTL, and now we can see them in Load Manager. Here on the left we'll see a few Sigmatek machines and a few CTL machines. Now we can go to the Operation Manager and we can see our SAW machines, and we see that they're designated as CTL machines. And then we can click on our Sigmatek machines and see that they're designated as Sigmatek machines. So we have a distinction there. Now on the right side, we've got our Sigmatek programs that exist right alongside our CTL programs, and those images come from CTL. Now I'll assign some CTL and some Sigmatek programs at the same time so we can see that we handle the CTL programs just like the Sigmatek programs. So there's our CTL programs that have been assigned. So now the next step is to process them on the shop floor. So we'll open the shop manager, and we can see our new application, CTL Feedback. Think of it as color offload for CTL programs. So we'll select the machine that we're going to process on. We can see the programs assigned to that machine and the parts on each program. We can click on the image to get a zoomed in view. And then just like color offload, we can start the programs, and we can see that live data feedback in Load Manager. So we'll see that the program's been started. We can stop the program, and again in real time see the update in Load Manager. Program turns red. And then again, just like color offload, we can even reset the program. And one last time, see an update in Load Manager. Now back in CTL Feedback, we can even update the programs just like color offload. So you start, process the program, finish it, and then we can click the program update button here. We see that it's been removed from the list because it's been updated. In Load Manager, we'll see that program's updated, so it's been removed. And in CTL Feedback, we can see program 4 has been updated.